Yen to aso Emma one na fe higher election headquarters kokromotie power bato mu amane de yebo na wasi ugina ye na haya na obete and this amanyoko na chebia no mudi na fisi na for yetre ya no odin hye so ko wietire no Dr. Edward Omaneboama ene kokwa hodo akabie wo mu for civil society organization sehia ya wo modi wo nsamato manim sabato no bibi etumisi isi office sankasa kra no enwiamu etumi koso.
Na watchimweni na NDC amanyuku no ede won enough is enough demonstration ehhehye se wo manga mu a esa hunti no ene wono mo ne civil society organizations ahodo ehia wode to won anim yenti wode sa oyechi ehhehye so wabra NDC director of elections Dr. Omaneboama ene mpanyifo e obetwehia edin komo no wode to won anim say
they should institute accountability and integrity measures to prevent future manipulation of the voters register. This is key. This is why we need to audit the IT systems so that we can accurately and comprehensively diagnose the loopholes. Let no one ever deceive you that it is only at the polling station that elections can be rigged. Elections are not only won at the polling stations. Elections can be won from the offices of the Electoral Commission. We want to identify the root causes of the avoidable errors. We want to identify the scale of the problem. We want to diagnose the IT vulnerabilities, including late activation of the liveliness test. Was it deliberate? Well planned? They should convene stakeholders, political parties, CSOs, ECOWAS, AU, UNDP, EU, USAID, the British High Commission, and others for collaboration. They should agree to publish the findings of the forensic audit. They should re-exhibit the register after the forensic audit. Review and correct all unauthorized transfers.
Na emra sebedwani ono ewa Asante Akyem North abato empesua no so eyeyewura andi Appiah Kubi odo de atudwa ya wochesa fi wo ya bato no de kwan bia so no wodi nkunim na nkunimdie no so no ha munchichema de wotwe 80% nkunimdie na wode ebewini.
Mrashibejeni ya wejinema wana wa Asante Akyem North ya mprempren wojina MP Pemanyoko na nema Mrashibejam debere ewo mpeswa no so andi Appiah Kubi ensema wadi atudwa ene se wabato beko so panima bosome ne mu no obenya nipa dodo beya hagiche mu adu wotwe a wombeto ma ba ediama ne mpeswa no so abra wo kire sansem ne mu no sei eno kan
itiri de se ne market no edian MP de no yes yire huni sei bema eura no mu ba umia the numbers across. If I have a target of 80% of the vote, Asante Akyem North, Premtobre Kasee, 54,000 and more in change. 54,000, if I say conservative figure, you can see 90% of that. 80% of that, which says, in the part of the world, a bubble team with Premtobre. And only some here, se nipa do no babo ntin beto abadia 80% kwa we may be the seat
so hono moa deputy CEO Emma Ghana Post kwa kuta bi amponsa enso so de piece say wo yekrado pass ode na chitai ebema andi Appiah Kubi na Dr. Baumia e wa afia bato bekoso my Ghana mo se de beya nkonimdie betumi aye wo mo edia
ye constituency ha wasono be dikan eye honorable andi Appiah Kubi a party mano ejino se only enem me complete me pasono okun ene papa Dr. Baumia sa for me ne do mo elections nti ye dia ho de ye nim de ene bi better o mechi am we de ya krado osono abusu ku ni nyina ya krado say ye better ye MP echi ye better ye flag bearer echi na ye de o makonkunum die mu
na ene constituency water de be bna da bia na yegina e wo German North fiaduno nie e hono mo abato no NDC atena so MPP atena so na chese hono ye swing constituency na Dominic Donyina abobo ansemi wo ya no e frabato mpesua no so de aba